Hey Antonio, this is Scott Tracy at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for inquiring about the 2007 Toyota Highlander. As you can see, the vehicle is sitting right here. This is a limited. It does have the roof leather. It's got all the bells and whistles on it. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. So I'm going to show you a few of the options. So if you'll follow me right this way. You can see it's got remote keyless entry, power windows, door locks. It's also got power seats. It's got power lumbar, all volume and mode controls on your steering wheel. It does have air CD. The air does blow ice cold. As you can see in the back, you've got plenty of spacious seating. The car's in good shape. It's real clean. Tires on this vehicle are in very good shape. It's also got the alloy rims. So if you would, give me a call here at the dealership at 205-380-6250. You've seen the price online. This thing is super cheap. So give me a call, set up an appointment, 205-380-6250. We guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated here. Thanks for your inquiry, and I look forward to talking to you.